around the corners.
Gonna go sit here or not?
Why not? Free go! Free go! Just another go. You're going to be great to go.
Hello, children. Hello. Hello, children. Nice to see you.
I got like this.
Oh, fabulous. They look nice. And have you all been very good this year?
Yes.
And have you all sent me a letter telling me what you want for Christmas?
Yes.
You have?
I didn't wait one. I wanted a surprise.
Oh, that's very good. We can do you know when it is we're coming?
Tonight!
Yes. I've got a lot of work to do and there's so many houses to go and visit. And my elves here will give you some presents.